Welcome to this demonstration of Gatherly Pro, your all-in-one meeting recording and transcription assistant. To begin, I'll launch Gatherly Pro from the tray icon. The application window appears, and now I'll walk you through the features and how you can use them. For this demonstration, instead of recording a live meeting, I'll simulate one by playing a YouTube video. This approach allows us to showcase the application's functionality as if it were being used in a real meeting. I'll play a video to demonstrate how Gatherly Pro generates a transcript. Before I start recording, let me highlight two key options. First, there's the checkbox to show recording indicator, which, when enabled, displays a visible icon to remind you that recording is in progress. Second, don't forget to confirm compliance with local recording laws by ticking the appropriate checkbox. Let's record 30 seconds of this simulated meeting so you can see how the transcription works.
Hi, this is Eric Johnson. It's February 18th, 2021, and this is the engineering key review at GitLab. So I've got number 4 in the agenda, which is a proposal to break up this meeting into 4 department key reviews. So currently this is engineering, development, quality, security, and UX. Infrastructure and support do their own key reviews already. I have the reasons why: increased visibility, able to go deeper.
Here on the screen, we have the meeting details section, where you can input the title of your meeting. For example, I'll type demo meeting. You can also add participants, which is optional, but it's a useful feature for organizing your recordings. Next is the monitor selection section. Here, you can decide whether you want to record your screen. If you have multiple monitors, you can choose which one to record. For this demo, I'll select monitor 1. Keep in mind, recording the screen is optional, perfect if you just want to capture audio. Now let's move to the audio options. Gatherly Pro lets you record desktop audio, microphone audio, or both simultaneously. This means you can capture what's being said on a call and your responses at the same time. These audio sources are merged into a single audio stream for easy handling later. In the transcription options, you can choose whether or not to transcribe the audio. There are multiple models to select from, ranging from tiny for quick and lightweight transcription to large for highly detailed results. I'll choose the base model for this demo. It's a good balance between speed and quality. On the left side, you'll see a tree structure listing all your recorded meetings. This helps you easily manage and access your past recordings. At the bottom is the console view, where you can monitor status updates like recording progress, transcription, and file processing. Both the tree and console views can be collapsed or expanded as needed. Once recording stops, Gatherly Pro handles post-processing automatically. The audio was split into 1-minute chunks during recording. It will be merged into one audio file and transcribed. If you've recorded video, it will be combined with the audio to create a single MP4 file. Alternatively, you can choose to keep the audio and video separate if that's your preference. This flexibility ensures Gatherly Pro adapts to your needs, whether you're recording for meetings, webinars, or just note-taking. That wraps up our demo of Gatherly Pro. It's a powerful yet customizable tool to make meeting recording and transcription seamless. Try it out and let me know your thoughts.